Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out the best compressed air duster that makes cleaning faster, easier, and way more powerful. If you are tired of dust in your gadgets and hard-to-reach places, this could be exactly what you need. Let's get started. Now let's take a quick look at the Troizo BC03 compressed air duster. This is a powerful and portable cleaning tool designed to handle everything from delicate electronics to heavy cleaning jobs. The Troizo BC03 compressed air duster brings strong airflow and smart features into one compact device. One of the standout features is its upgraded 150,000 RPM brushless motor. This gives you strong wind pressure and fast airflow, so dust and debris are removed quickly without much effort. You can clean deep corners in seconds, which saves a lot of time. It also comes with 4 adjustable speed levels. This is very useful because you can choose a gentle setting for sensitive items like keyboards or cameras, or switch to a stronger level for tougher cleaning tasks. It gives you full control depending on what you are cleaning. Another great feature is the multi-purpose design with 4 nozzles and 4 brushes. You can easily switch attachments to clean different surfaces, whether it is your computer, car interior, or home appliances. This tool adapts to your needs. The built-in LED light is a small but very helpful addition. It lets you see clearly in dark areas, like inside a PC case or under furniture. This means you do not miss any hidden dust. The battery performance is also impressive. With dual 3000 mAh batteries, you get up to 120 minutes of use on a full charge. It also supports fast Type-C charging, so you can recharge it quickly and get back to work without long waiting times. Another important benefit is that it replaces disposable air cans. This makes the Troizo BC03 compressed air duster more cost-effective and better for the environment. You do not have to worry about harmful chemicals either, which makes it safer for your devices. When it comes to build quality, the Troizo BC03 compressed air duster feels solid and durable. It is made from strong ABS and aluminum alloy materials, so it is built to last. At the same time, it is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry anywhere. In real life, this device is super handy. You can clean your keyboard, blow dust out of your PC, dry your pet after a bath, or even use it outdoors for camping tasks like starting a fire or clearing leaves. It is one tool that can do many different jobs. This product is perfect for tech users, car owners, pet owners, and anyone who wants a simple and powerful cleaning solution. It is especially great for people who want a reusable and portable option. Want a smarter way to clean? Check the price link in the description and see if this is right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.